nose, and yeah, it was dead. So let's skip that vlog and jump right to Portugal.
Hey guys, it's Quiana Laney back with another video. I'm on my way to Portugal and I'm going to be vlogging the trip, so yeah.
Oh my gosh, I didn't realise you.
We have just arrived in Faro and we're currently exiting the airport. This decoration, like the decor. I hate it. Oh my gosh, okay. The decor, guys. The decor is horrendous. So, the decor is absolutely horrendous, which is to be expected. You can't see me. Yeah. Apartment tour. Oh, this is cute. Apartment tour. Oh, this decor is killing me. That's kind of cute. Neo. More of the tour. Yes, we got on these fans. Whoa, we've got a whole kitchen, you know. I'm dead. Should we
Screaming, how do we open this?
empty fridge?
How do we even... I'm getting pissed off, like, how do we open this?
We're struggling to open that terrace.
Like, why has it got this, like, little gated thing? Like, you don't need that.
Banks W like a basketball. Don't forget it all. So I've just woken up and I'm heading to the balcony. It's like 25 degrees. It's so hot and look how beautiful it is. Yes.
What the actual hell? Oh my gosh. No, I'm not having this. Let's go.
So we're on our way to the pool that comes with our apartment and we're currently getting ready to go there. Yeah, so this is like a quick bit of what we can see from our balcony. And that's Sophie. We're currently making our way to the beach. Really excited. It's like 24, 22, 25 degrees, something like that. So the weather here is beautiful. So yeah. I'd add some more energy to these.
Yeah, welcome.
So we're going on a boat trip around the coast of Faro.
You drive the boat. Go, where's your face? So we've just got on the coach to make our way to Silent Splash. Coach life. F4. This is what I have to put up with. Like, safety first. I'm cut off feet eaten by fish. We've gone on that ride. They feel like great. We've gone on that ride, nearly all the ones over there, and we're gonna go and see like these owls that they have down there. So yeah, making our way. This water park is actually so lit. Cute! Oh my gosh!
Hey guys, tonight is our last night in Faro. The plan is to go to a cocktail bar and to go clubbing on the Portugal Strip. So yeah. Hey homies, thanks for watching my Portugal vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please drop your comments down below of what you thought of the video and what you'd like to see next. So yeah, Quiana out.